This is our first new model, 2026 model year 90. Commercial Defender hardtop. This is the D250 X Dynamic SE in the new stunning Woolstone Green. Brand new colour. It's got our full MASV styling. The grey front grills, the gloss black canards, all the mouldings, upgraded bonnet vents, extended gloss arches. We've got 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the Yokohama Geolander tyres. What a lovely colour this is, paired up with the black roof, great contrast. Upgraded side vents, all the mouldings down the bottom there. Gloss black side steps, wing mirrors, we've got the LED light pod. Colour-coded side panels being an X Dynamic SE. Factory roof rails on this one, gloss black rear spoiler. Being the new 2026 model year, there's a few slight little changes. Rear lights now, they're all fully flat and smoked. Got the bumper protector on the back, the gloss black wheel cover, exposed towing eyes. Looks fabulous. I'll show you inside this one. Really nice specification. Keyless entry on the door there. Two-seater with the full armrest, wireless charging. We've got ambient lighting, electric seat, perforated black leather, Meridian surround audio, memory seats, got colour change and ambient lights, multifunction steering wheel with lane keep assist. We've got adaptive cruise control. This is a delivery mileage vehicle with 43 miles only. Digital speedo. On the new 2026 model year, we've got a bigger screen. So this is about a 13-inch screen, which is the same as the new Range Rover Sport Autobiography. The biggest screen they've done in a Defender yet. Wireless charging. This one's got also the detachable tow bar option. Black headliner. That's a great spec. So this is a VAT qualifying, tax efficient vehicle for your business. Low benefit in kind. In a new unique colour. They used to do a Pangea green which was more lighter. This is a very nice dark, proper Land Rover green now. And it looks great paired up with the styling pack. So this one's in stock, available now. Give me a call, 0777 111 2040, www.ma-sv.co.uk. We've got more Defender commercials available, different colours. Got some Barasco grey ones coming. We've got black, Carpathian grey, all the new 2026 models. Very hard to get. 3-year warranty from Land Rover and a year's Land Rover Assist. Give me a call. Thank you for watching.